Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, in today's video tutorial, we will learn how to perform linear regression in R. So we will do a step by step. So this is the data set in Excel where we have data. This is hypothetical data about, assume this is about a company, the profits, their operating expenses, advertisements, and maybe other cost or something. So we will be performing linear regression. We will regressing profit on these three independent variables. So profit is our dependent variable. So let's go into the R. So let's import the sheet first. So we have imported the file, Excel file, by using this command. Now we will perform linear regression as I discussed the variables. So for linear regression, so first of all, we will attach the sheet. As of now, we have imported the Excel file, but now we have to attach. So now we will attach the file, which is lmr. So now we have attached the file. So first of all, we will check the labels. So we will type labels and then the name of the dataset, lmr. Then we will run it. So we have the labels. So we will be regressing profits on these independent variables. So for that, we have to execute the following command. For example, we want to save the results in a variable known as, say, x is equal to lm, stands for linear model. Then we will type the dependent variable. For example, our dependent variable is profits, and then this symbol. Then we will type the independent variables, operating expenses. Then if we have multiple variables, then we will add those variables one by one. Advertisement, I think there is some problem with this variable. Operating expenses, yes. Okay, fine. So then we will add the final independent variable. So this is the regression function. So we will execute this. So we have obtained the results in the variable named as x. So now we can execute, or we can check the summary of the variable which will provide the regression results, and x, summary of x, and then we will run it. So here we have obtained the regression results. So you can check, you can see uh, this is the constant, which is intercept. These are the independent variables. You can see different results are reported here. You can check r square, adjusted r square, f statistics, but I will just try to interpret this result. So if it is in the absolute terms, expenses and the dependent variable, then it will be interpreted as 1 unit change in operating expenses will leads to 0.004 units change in the dependent variables, which is profit. Similarly, 1 unit change in advertisement will leads to 0.037 units change in profits, means negative. You have to keep in mind the sign. So the negative impact, advertisement will cause a negative impact. This is hypothetical data. So and none of the variable is significant. So as I discussed, it is a hypothetical data. So the aim is to just show you how to run the regression model and how to interpret the results. So now if you have to get all these in one windows, and then you can check, you can use this command view x, then you can run it. So here you can see the coefficient, residues, effects, and all other different results saved here. So these are the coefficients of, this is the dependent way, the coefficient of independent variables here. So this is how you run linear model in R. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.